Students, now we'll see the next part under the joint products. Under the joint products, the meaning, features, and the advantages are over, and under the byproducts also over, and under the co-products and difference of all these is over. Next, first we'll see the accounting for the joint products. We'll see the accounting for joint products, the methods and the problems. Then we'll see the methods for the accounting of byproducts and the problems. First we'll see the now joint products. Okay, joint products is nothing but the products produced together with the same economic value, with the same process, and with the same raw material, right? And they have the same importance and this same value. Now see how to prepare the accounts for the joint product. What are the procedures? What are the methods? Now one more thing we have to remember under the joint products is split off point. Split off point is nothing but or separation point. Okay, split off point or separation point refers to the stage in the manufacturing process at which the products get separated and become separately identifiable. Okay, under the certain point. Okay, split off point or separation point is a point to the to the stage in the manufacturing process at which the products get separated till the see now joint products mean they are produced together, right? Till a particular point they are producing together in a particular particular point. For example, a particular point there, for example, there are two joint products. They till this point they are producing together. Okay, till this they are producing together, but after a particular point they are processes separately. They are processed separately because that processes are different. Maybe the processes are different and they need the separate raw materials. So till this particular point their processes together. That particular point is under this particular point they are processes separately. This particular point is called the separation point. At particular point they are going to process separately. Okay, so up to this point all the inputs and productions process are commonly used for all the joint products or main products and byproducts. After this point joint products or byproducts can be identified individually. Same under this case of byproducts also individually. This is the point of separation. A particular say two by joint products are producing together till this particular point the processes are same, but after a particular point this is a separation point. After this separation point they are processes separately. That particular thing is called the separation. This is the separation point or slipped off point. Okay, slipped off point. Okay, that is the slipped off point. And one more thing, thing we need to know under the joint products is the cost. Under the joint two types of cost are there. One is joint cost, one is subsequent cost. Joint cost and subsequent cost. Under the joint cost is nothing but till the together, right? Till the particular point they are producing together. Till the separation point the cost incurred till the separation point together, right? This is the joint cost. And after this they are processed separately, right? That the cost of this process is different, this cost this product is different. So this is the what subsequent cost. This is the joint cost. This is the joint cost. This is the subsequent cost. Okay, so joint cost refers to the cost or total cost incurred in a process up to the point of separation or shift off point when the product gets separated. Till the product gets separated, what the cost incurred, that is the joint cost. After the separation point the cost incurred, that is the subsequent cost. So subsequent cost refers to the total cost incurred on the products after the separation point, as these costs are incurred on identifiable individual products. This is the cost incurred for individual product, but under the till the joint cost is together we have to divide the joint cost. Okay, this is about the joint cost, subsequent cost. Okay, and the separation point. And Next, we'll see the accounting or joint products. What are the methods are there under the joint products? Accounting for joint products means the appropriate appropriate apportionment of joint costs to each of the or the uh, division of the joint cost to each of the joint products to determine the cost of joint products is also known as joint product accounting or accounting of joint products. Okay, accounting for joint products is nothing but under the particular point, see, already explained, right? Till a separation point the cost is together, right? That is the joint cost. Now cost is joint, but we have to divide the joint cost to the all the joint products, right? For example, nodi, for example, A and B, see, A and B are the products. This is the separation point till they are producing together. So total cost is 10,000. Okay, now we don't know how much for A, how much for B. After separation point, the different cost that separately we can know. Subsequent cost is separately we can know. But the joint cost means that together A plus B equal to 10,000. The cost of A plus cost of B equal to 10,000. Now we have to divide this joint cost to A and B on a particular basis, right? That division is called the accounting for the joint products. To divide these costs, there are the 5 to 6 ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್, ಹೇಗೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ 5 to 6 ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಇದು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಯೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಟುಗೆದರ್ ತನಕ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು accounting for joint products is nothing but apportionment of joint cost to each of the joint products to determine the cost of the joint products. Okay. Next we'll see what are the importance of joint products accounting. What are the main importance of joint products? First one, to determine the cost of each product, to determine or to know the cost of each product, we have to divide the joint cost, right? So we have to divide the joint cost. So to know the cost of each product, then to value the closing stock of product, to value the closing stock to find out the closing stock, we have to know the value of the each product. Then to determine the selling price of each product. Okay, if you know the cost, then you can fix the selling price. So fix the selling price of the each product, we need to know the cost, joint cost of each product, or separate cost of the each product. To determine the profit or loss on the sale of each product, same, right? To know the cost, to know the selling price, to know fix the selling price. If you fix you know this cost and you fix the selling price, means you can determine the profit or loss on the sale of each. You are getting the profit or loss, you can take the decisions on the profit or loss, or if there is a loss, we can make some decisions, right? These are the main importance of the joint product accounting. Remember, under the joint product accounting is nothing but it's only about the distribution of the joint cost. Okay, distribution of joint cost. Till this particular point, all the joint products are produced together. After a particular separation point, they are producing differently, right? They are producing differently. For example, see, once again I will explain. See, there are three types of joint products: A, B, C. Till a particular point, they are producing together. This is the separation point. Till this point, they are producing together. After this point, they are producing separately. Okay, separately. Till this point, the joint cost together we cannot find differently, separately, because they're producing together, right? So total cost is 15,000. After this is this is the A, this is 50,000 equal to A plus B plus C. But after, now see, till this 15,000 is incurred cost including 3. Next, after this separate point, A incurred 3,000, B incurred 2,000, and C incurred 1,000. Okay, now we need to find out the cost of A, B, C. This is 3000 is separate. Okay, we have to add 3000 plus we have to divide 15,000 to the A, B, C. How to divide these things? Okay, equally means 5,000, 5,000, 5, but all the times it's not equal. So this is called the apportionment of the joint product. This is the distribution of the joint cost to the different joint products. It's called the ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಪಾರ್ಷನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಷನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್